How to block restaurants that you dislike on Uber Eats. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can avoid or hide restaurant that you don't like on Uber Eats if you're tired of seeing the same bad restaurant on Uber Eats. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're trying to block the restaurant, unfortunately Uber Eats does not have a direct option for the block button in order to dislike the restaurant. But alternatively, there are some other methods that you can do that. First option, while browsing, you could use the top rated or cuisine filters to skip the lower rated price. This will help you hide unwanted options from your search results. So you could also do that while searching for the restaurant. Second option is to leave the honest feedback. If you have any bad experience with a restaurant, you can rate the restaurant and leave a detailed review. Uber Eats uses a feedback to improve suggestion and will lower their visibility. And you could also contact Uber Eats support and ask them to avoid showing a specific restaurant, but which is less guaranteed to work with. But you could also try that. And you could also avoid reordering from the same restaurant where the algorithm will eventually stop recommending the same restaurant to you again and again if you stop ordering from that place again. So these are some of the way to deal with the restaurants that you don't like on Uber Eats. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.